Hey guys, it's Crystal Renee here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. In this video, I'll be wishing my sister Jolanda a happy 40th birthday. I bet she thought I forgot. But instead of your typical just happy birthday wish, I wanted to do something special, which took me a little bit of time. So here it is. Can't believe you're hitting a big milestone. 4-0. Seems like yesterday you were just a young teen raising my nieces, and you did such a great job at that. When I think back, there's a lot of the times that I don't remember you not being there. I remember you being here when I joined JROTC, and you were there to support me along the way, along with many others. I mean, every time anybody saw me, they saw you. Or when they saw you, they saw me. We were always together. Looking back on all these old photos just remind me of back in the day. My braids were always on fleek thanks to you. And we can't forget the crew members. Wacky K, Wacky J, Wacky M, and Wacky C. Yes, we all thought we was some rappers. Those definitely were the days. Man, I miss hanging out with you guys. Now you all are so far away in Texas. Far away from me. Left me by my lonesome. Jolanda, I remember you were there to support me when I graduated. And I remember we thought we was in a Missy Elliott video or something with these outfits. And I will never forget the day we became supermodels for a day. Straight from a Victoria's Secret cover. We were always simply just having fun and being silly and making each other laugh. Shopping or snacking and going out to the clubs. Just doing whatever we thought was fun. We experienced a lot, the good and the bad. We shared a lot of secrets, the happy and the sad. I know one thing for sure that makes me sad is that you live so far away and not here to be able to see my 3 beautiful children grow up. And we all know that there was a time when I thought I would never have children or could ever have children, and when I did, you're not able to be around them. Not saying that they'll never have the chance, but I just wish they had the time to know and love the person that I grew to call my sister. Not to mention my daughter shares almost the same birthday as you. She didn't get lucky enough to be born on your birthday, but she was born the day after. Looks like you're having the time of your life. It makes me so happy to see you happy. I know how far you've come and all the struggles you went through. And you're a living testimony that God is real. And if you push and keep faith, you will see brighter days. You deserve all the joy and peace and all the love and happiness and everything great God has planned for your future. And with that being said, you're only as old as you feel. And you don't look like you feel a day older than 20. Happy 40th birthday, Jolanda, and I love you. That is it for this video. And if you all could wish Jolanda, my sister, a happy 40th birthday in the comments, I would greatly appreciate that. Until next time, peace.